was late at night, and I was walking alone on the street. I don't know why, but the lights around me started flickering, as if something was getting closer, and then suddenly, every light went out. I looked toward the forest and saw a blinding beam of light. Sir, I saw a glowing dome, light pouring out of it, like some strange energy field. And in an instant, my clothes changed. My hands began to shine. Energy streaming out of them. Like a hidden power inside me had finally awakened. I pointed my hand toward the ground, and a sharp beam of light shot into the earth. A burst of energy fell from the clouds and connected with my hand. I moved my hand in a circular motion, and the air twisted into a glowing spiral, slowly forming a portal in front of me. I took a deep breath, and without thinking twice, I stepped inside the portal.